Hello kids. Today activity is shadow making. Do you know how shadow is formed? A shadow is formed when the light is falling on the front of a thing and the back side of the thing, the shadow is formed. If we take our hand near the light, the shadow is bigger. And if we take our hand far from the light, the shadow is shorter. Hello kids, I am Mr. Cracky. I am King Crab. I love to live in fresh water. Now, this Mr. Jumbo elephant. How do I make it? Watch this. Moving freely in jungle. Mr. Jumbo, the elephant. Meet Mr. Becky. Now, meet Mr. Tom. He is a loyal and attractive dog. Oh, he is barking at thieves. Great, he catches them. It is chirping bird sitting on the branch. Chee. Oh, very nice. Here is a bird. Carefully look at my hands. How do I make bird? Fly high in the sky. Fly high in the sky.